Hello children, welcome back to your online class. This is your maths teacher. We'll start today your chapter from textbook, polynomials. This is your third chapter in your textbook. Already you have gone through your basics in your previous videos. So let us today discuss few definitions and examples. What is a polynomial? A polynomial is an expression made with constants, variables, and exponents which are combined using addition, subtraction, and multiplication, but not division. The exponents can only be 0, 1, 2, 3, so on. A polynomial cannot have infinite number of terms. It has only finite number of terms. There are examples, children, for both polynomial and not a polynomial. Go through it. Next comes different types of polynomials on the basis of terms. If a polynomial have one term, it is called a monomial. Example, 4x, 8y. The next one, polynomials having two terms. They are called binomial. Example, 2x plus 6, 25y minus 25. And third one, polynomials having three terms. They are known as trinomial. Example, you can go through, children. This is on basis of terms. The next one, degree. The degree is the term with the greatest exponent. Recall that for y square, y is the base and 2 is the exponent. 2 is also called power. For example, p of x is equals to 10x to the power of 4 plus 1 by 2 is a polynomial in the variable x of degree 4. Here the highest power is 4, so the degree is 4. 3 more examples are given. Go through that. Children, all these definitions you have to note down in your classwork book. Put the heading polynomials, put date whenever you are getting this video, and write down all the definitions. The next one is a polynomials basis, different types of polynomials based on degree. So first one, a polynomial of degree 0 is called a constant polynomial. For example, f of x is equals to 7. It is called a constant polynomial because here the degree is 0. The next one, polynomial of degree 1 is called a linear polynomial. Example, p of x is equals to 4x minus 3. Just go through the definition of linear polynomial. A linear polynomial is in the form ax plus b where a, b are real numbers and a is not equal to 0. You can note down, children, below it is given. It may be a monomial or a binomial. A linear polynomial can be a monomial or a binomial. Examples are also given. The next one, a polynomial of degree 2 is called a quadratic polynomial. Example, f of x is equals to root 3x square minus 4 by 3x plus 1 by 2. This is a quadratic polynomial. The next definition, any quadratic polynomial is always in the form ax square plus bx plus c where a, b, c are real numbers and a is not equal to 0. Children, here if a is equals to 0, it will become a linear polynomial. The next comes a polynomial of degree 3 is called a cubic polynomial. Example, f of x is equals to 5x cube minus 2x square plus 3x minus 1 by 5. Here the degree is 3, so it is called a cubic polynomial. So the definition, any cubic polynomial is always in the form f of x is equals to ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d, where a, b, c, d are real numbers. The next comes zeros of a polynomial. Definition, children, a real number alpha is a zero of a polynomial f of x if f of alpha is equals to 0. Example, f of x is equals to x cube minus 6x square plus 11x minus 6. So in place of x, I have substituted 2 in next step. So f of 2 is equals to 2 to the power of 3 minus 6 into 2 to the power of 2 plus 11 into 2 minus 6. When you simplify this one, the value is 0. Hence, 2 is a 0 of f of x. And note down this also, children. The number of zeros of the polynomial is the degree of the polynomial. If the degree is 2, there are 2 zeros. If the degree is 3, there are 3 zeros. Hope you all are understanding all this. Next one is an homework, children. This is, if you are having textbook, it is page number 54. Do these problems and exercise 3.1 is there. If you are not having textbook, copy these problems after your notes and do these problems. Hope you have understood. Until next video, goodbye.